now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so damn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here today for some extreme cleaning motivation. We are taking down all the fall decor and cleaning the entire house. I'm so excited for this video because I haven't shared like a real deep cleaning video or like extensive cleaning video in a while. And you guys know when I clean, I'm just not one of those people that get all nice and put on makeup to clean. I'm wearing a big t-shirt, a big Florida t-shirt that my mom brought me over when she went over there, some sweats, and that is how I clean when I know I'm about to get down and clean this entire house. So yes, I'm taking down my fall decor early. It's October 18 when you guys are seeing this, and I don't decorate for Halloween. So I like to get a little break between fall and Christmas, and I do decorate for fall very early in order to get that content out for you guys. So by this time I was already done with it. So hopefully you can save this video, or it'll give you motivation to take your fall decor down if you're somebody who decorates for Christmas in November like I do. Then you got like 10 more days. So hopefully this will give you some motivation to do that. We're going to be taking everything down, putting it in bins, and then cleaning the entire house. And I'm leaving everything bare. I'm not putting anything back. Even my normal decor, I'm not putting nothing back. I'm just leaving everything bare, so that when I put my Christmas decor, it can be satisfying after seeing this like emptiness of our house for so long. But yeah, so if you have something to clean with me, or if you're taking down your fall decor too soon, because I know I have some Christmas fanatics on here that are ready to decorate for Christmas and take fall down already, go ahead and put on your comfy clothes, put on a big t-shirt if you need to, just like me, and let's clean together.
You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. To say is always a step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well.
I must say, as I was taking down all the decor, it was kind of depressing because you're just seeing, especially I have a lot of white in my house, so once I took down all the fall colors, it was just all white and very depressing. But I was just so ready to take down all this decor. On this particular day, I had the house to myself. This is how everything looked. I couldn't believe the fall collection that I've gathered this year, because it was my first year decorating for fall. All glory to God for giving me the means to do this. But yeah, anyways, on this particular day, my husband, it was my first time allowing my husband to go out alone with the baby. He took the dog to the vet and he took her with him, and I had the whole house to myself, and I was motivated. I was like, okay, I don't have to worry about a baby, I don't have to worry about a dog, I don't have to worry about a husband. I'm about to get this house super clean. So I was just so motivated. I got these 2 bins from Target, and thank God everything fit in there. And then for my dried florals, so I wanted to put them away. Don't say that I'm wasting Ziploc bags or clear wrap, because I bought 2 boxes specifically for my fall decor. I asked on my Hobby Lobby Fanatics group, yes, I'm in a Hobby Lobby Fanatics group on Facebook, if I could store dry florals, because I know they're not that expensive and I could have bought them again next year. But like this arrangement that I made in a dough ball, I just love so much, and I was like, it'll be great if I could just preserve this just like this. But I didn't know if the dried florals will make it a year, and somebody told me if I wrap them in saran wrap and Ziploc bags and stuff, that I can preserve them for another year. So I'm gonna see how that works out. I'll let you guys know next year. So I wrapped them up just like that, and hopefully the idea is I can just take them out the bin and reuse them next year, because I really love the dried floral arrangements that I made this year, mixed with some fall florals as well. It gave it like a fall wildflower look, and I love it, and I hope that I can use them again next year.
Still so humble about it, 'cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like
Now that all the fall decor is put away, we're going to go ahead and start cleaning the house. I'm going to start in my bedroom because I wanted to show you guys these sheets that Urvet Bedding sent me. So thank you so much to Urvet Bedding for sponsoring today's video. I am in love with these sheets. These are high quality sheets, but I also think that they're much more affordable than any other sheets that claim to be high quality out there on the market. They sent me their split duvet cover, I don't know what I just said, and also their sheet set, which I'm going to show you guys in a second, but I think their split duvet cover is so cool. So basically, as you can see here, one says lightweight and then the other one, the insert says heavy duty or all season or something like that. So basically their duvet cover is meant for couples like me and my husband, literally, where you can have one side lighter and one side heavier because I'm always hot and he's always cold. So I'm going to be showing you guys that in a second. It's super cool. But first I'm putting their sheets, and you guys will notice that these sheets are a little big on my bed because I have a really thick mattress, and whenever I get queen size, I have a queen size mattress, it doesn't fit and it's always like coming off after we sleep on it for a night. So I asked them to send me a king, and that's why it's a little big, and I just tucked it under. But you guys, honestly, I only try to share things on this channel that I will actually use and that I actually liked, and these sheets are so comfy. You could just tell the difference. Honestly, before this I had some Target sheets on here, and you can just tell the difference between high quality and Target sheets. And it was just sleeping on these have been a dream. Even my husband noticed, and he's usually a person that's like, nobody needs no high quality stuff, you know, very stingy, Mr. Krabs. But he was like legit enjoying sleeping on these sheets, as was I. But now skipping over to the split duvet cover, I'm going to be showing you guys one side at a time and how to put this on. Super easy. So you turn your duvet cover inside out, and then you lay the insert directly on top of that, and then their duvet covers and their inserts come with ties that you could tie them together literally at every corner and in the middle as well, which I think is so convenient, so that it won't like detach or get like lumpy within the duvet cover at any point. And I just think it's so convenient. My other duvet cover was such a pain to put on. Then you're gonna roll this up like a burrito and then turn everything right side up, kind of like you're unfolding a sock or folding socks. You're gonna zip it up, and then you go ahead and unfold it, and you have a duvet cover with the insert inside without a hassle. Like, it was literally the easiest duvet cover process that I've ever done. My other duvet cover that I had on before this, that I'm putting in the guest room, it doesn't come with ties, so I would have to like put like a little bobby pin, not a bobby pin, a safety pin to do it myself, and I was just so lazy sometimes. I would just struggle to put it in. And now I'm putting my husband's side, which you can see it says all season because he's a big baby and he's cold all the time. I'm the opposite. I'm like always hot. Even in the summer, even in the winter time, I'm always hot. So I love this concept. I honestly do, especially because we needed this so much, like me and my husband as a couple. And these two sides come together with magnets, so it's super easy. You could kind of see the magnets in these clips. Not maggots, that would not be good, but I don't know why I'm so chatty today. But anyways, yeah, they come together with magnets, and they just pull apart. So as you're sleeping, you could pull it apart, you know, if he turns over, if I turn over, and then when you make the bed in the morning, everything just snaps back together. So super cool. I'm loving both the sheet set and the duvet cover. They did give me a discount code for you guys, so if you're interested in that, if you and your husband are not body temperature compatible like me and mine, or if you just want a new high quality sheet set, I highly recommend this brand. So they left me a discount code for you guys. I will have all the information down in my description box and the links to these items as well, so that you guys can check that out. Thank you so much to Urvet for sponsoring today's video. And yeah, so again, I'm just showing you guys before we end this little portion here. This is how it clips together. It's super easy, and you can't even really tell, which was something that I was worried about. Like, you would be able to tell that like it's a split duvet, but you can't even really tell in person once it's all clipped together and the bed is all done, which is what I'm going to be doing now. And then I'm going to be showing you how it all looks. So yeah, anyways, thank you to Hervé for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Yes, it's Hervé. I've been saying it wrong this entire time, but yeah. Now we're going to continue cleaning. We're going to vacuum and clean my nightstands and my dresser that has no TV. It has a TV now, you guys. I know I've been telling you guys for a long time that I was going to get a TV, but we were waiting for one to go on sale, and we finally did, and now I feel like everything is nice and set up now that we have the wall painted and it's not all white. We have our TV. We just got to mount the TV, and hopefully everything will be done, God willing, for Christmas time to decorate in here. We're putting 3 trees up, you guys. I'm so excited for Christmas decorating. So yeah, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me stop talking.
Trying to keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Never meant to love no one.
So you guys, yes, me again. I was like, all right, I just talked for so long. I'm gonna stop talking. Psych, I can't do that. I can't stop talking. I'm sorry if you like the music better, but I'll make this quick. It's just a little plug into Christmas. So this is the last fall, I guess, if this is considered fall content, the last fall related video. We are hopping into Christmas right after this. The video right after this, God willing, is gonna be a Christmas prep with me, kind of similar to my fall prep with me. We're gonna be DIYing some stuff, but like elevated 10 levels from the fall video. Like, I'm not even hyping you guys. I am so excited for what I did for Christmas. Like, I'm going to keep these pieces for years to come, and I'm so proud that I did this myself. So definitely, if you're excited, I know it's a little bit early for Christmas decorating, but this is kind of Christmas prepping, so I feel like it's very, very appropriate timing. So, and if you don't think so, then just don't say anything, because I'm putting it out anyways. So yeah, you guys, definitely stay tuned for that next week. If you're not already subscribed, but for some reason this is the first video you have watched of mine, welcome, and make sure you subscribe, because like I said, Christmas content, I go crazy for Christmas. And even like, I don't want to tell you guys too much, but guys, it's gonna be a good video. I'm very excited about it because I did it myself, and I'm just excited to see how these pieces play in with everything else that I've been collecting for Christmas. So I'm also gonna have a Christmas haul after that. It's not gonna be a huge haul. I did get like quite a few things, but it's not gonna be as huge as my previous hauls because we just moved into this house about a year ago, if you're new here. And I've been starting my collections from scratch. Literally, I had zero decor for all the seasons aside from Christmas. So, and I started my channel like a little over a year ago. So every time I've been putting out a decor haul, you guys have been seeing so much because I've been saving up for these decor hauls, because I literally had zero seasonal decor. So I had to start my collection from scratch. But for Christmas, now that we're in a new year, I have from last year, and I'm adding some things in from this year. So I'm very excited for that, but it's not going to be as big of a haul as all my previous ones because those were, again, starting from scratch. But it's still going to be quite, big because I'm just a crazy Christmas fanatic. And last year I wasn't able to get all new Christmas decor. We had just moved in and moving into a new house with down payments and all that. It's very expensive. So I kind of just brought over my Christmas decor from our first time home buyer's home. And that was a completely different style over there if you guys followed me from like way back then. And I had to work with it. So I wasn't completely happy with the way everything turned out last year. But this year I was able to get some new pieces that will go along with some of my old pieces to make it more of my decor. I am like a crazy red and white traditional Christmas girl. And I got 2 more trees this year. So we're doing 3 trees, 3 big trees and like a ton of mini trees. I'm gonna have trees all over this year, so I'm just so excited for all the content to come. So make sure that you are subscribed for all of that. Let me know down below if you're already shopping for Christmas. Guys, if you're not already, then you haven't caught up with the new vibes ever since the pandemic, because ever since the pandemic hit, holiday decor is selling out way before its time. So now that Christmas decor is 50% off in Hobby Lobby, I kid you not, every time I go into Hobby Lobby, nobody is in the fall decor aisles. They're in the Christmas aisle. So if you haven't already, you should go shopping. And oh my gosh, it's almost the end of the video and I am still chatting. I'm so sorry. I got carried away today. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be the Christmas content kickoff. I love you guys. And God willing, as always, I'll see you guys next time.